Hey guys, welcome to 102 Oglesby Avenue, right here in the heart of Homewood. Austin and I have been dying to show you this property, and we even brought along our interior designer to tell you all the special things that she chose for this home. It was basically a home that was uninhabitable anymore. It's very sad.
People actually call us for that kind of stuff all the time. We have the team on hand to be able to do quick cash closings, no inspections, and we like to find properties on a perfect lot in a walkable neighborhood, whether it's Homewood, which we love, Mountain Brook, or Vestavia.
Come on in, we want to show it to you. So Kristen, when you first start working with a client, what is the big decision that just kind of sets the tone for the whole thing?
I really design everything not about style, but around function first. So once we know how we're gonna use each room, then it's much easier to start the design process. So like this is a 36-inch gas range. A professional chef or a really good cook would want to use something like this. But if someone doesn't cook very much, they probably want like a glass top electric, much easier to use.
What I like about this plan is just how convenient it's all laid out.
This particular homeowner was really important for her to be able to cook from the kitchen and be able to move right to the table for her family. And then we did a really fun, trendy chandelier.
Okay, I love this. This is really pretty. One of the things that I think is really unique is the backsplash behind the stove with the tile.
We were just thinking about simplicity. We really wanted something where she could get to the spices very quickly when she's cooking. So it's pretty and functional.
Yeah, I love it. When I look at this fireplace, it's so traditional, but it's got a little extra to it. Tell me about that.
The wrap is very vintage. And then we did a lot of modern aspects, like the straight edge, instead of having like just a mantle beam. We did the full crown molding all the way around. And the trim color, so it looks light and airy from top to bottom. When you walk into the master bathroom, the first thing you see is the kaleidoscope tile. And then we did this gorgeous square tile.
And the shower's huge.
It's huge.
It's so big and it's so pretty.
When we were planning this bathroom, storage was very important. So we added this tower on top of the countertop, tons of storage for towels and products, and then all the slow close drawers, which is great for makeup.
What are some things that you could tell a client who is struggling to make some of those decisions that perhaps are overstressing about it or making it more complicated than it is?
Well, it's really hard sometimes for clients to understand that a small tile is going to turn into a whole floor. How big is the floor? What size the tile needs to be? Do we have a window that's gonna let light in if we wanna go with a darker tile? Do you want this to feel earthy? Do you want it to feel bold? That's how you kind of tell the story.
So the designs, the colors, all that's out of my wheelhouse, but I do want to talk about something that did catch my attention. How did y'all pick out this trim work? Was it made on site? What makes it special? Could you tell us a little about it?
This was made on site with one of our trim guys, and we wanted it to be a good drop zone for coming in for the end of the day. We have a little spot for shoes, and then we have a spot for all your backpacks and your purses. And we did a great moody color. This is Peppercorn by Sherwin-Williams. And then it really ties great with the floor because we did 2 colored tiles to make a pattern for the floor.
It looks really good.
So you don't just help people with their interior selections for homes, there's lots of other things that you can help them with.
So everything from the selections all the way to next we're doing curtains. So tomorrow, once we close on this house, we'll start the curtains and then we'll start all the furniture. So, and then I'll be there for delivery installs, everything being set in place.
On furniture, you're able to kind of look at the furniture that they already have and then help them figure out what pieces would go with that, or
That's
do
right.
sometimes just people just want all new?
Yes, like this weekend, they're gonna move in their furniture that they have, and then I'll circle back and I'll see all the pieces they wanna use, and then we'll make a list of the project of what we need to add.
This floor plan was handpicked by us to be able to get the home up to about 3,000 square feet, which is ideal, and have 5 bedrooms. It has 4 bathrooms, guys. Like, that's a lot of bathrooms in Homewood. You don't always get that many. It's such an easy, livable, comfortable home. If you have been looking for your own hard-to-find property in Mountain Brook or Vestavia or in Homewood, and you just can't find what you're looking for, we hope you'll give us a call.
We have all the industry connections, from finding the perfect lot, from engineering, designing, paint colors, all the way to finish.
Give us a call. We'd love to work with you.